Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to link Cash App to PayPal. So firstly, make sure your Cash App account is linked to a bank or debit card. You can do it you can do that from your profile settings. So once it's done, open your PayPal app in your mobile phone or laptop. I have already uploaded a video how to set up a PayPal app on your PC. So afterwards, go to wallet section of PayPal. So tap add a bank or link a card and then add the same bank account or debit card that's already connected to your Cash App. Now transfer the money from Cash App to your bank account, then open PayPal to add money from that same bank. It might take 1 to 3 business days, but it gets the job done. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel if you like our tech tutorials, and ring the bell before going. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.